Right, so we've got another car show today. We've got one in Hereford. It's St Michaels Hospice, so it should be a bit more of a big car show rather than the one yesterday, which was a smaller one. And yeah, so hopefully there'll be a lot more cars there. And I know Richard Hammond's going to be there with the Smallest Cog, if you've heard of them. So yeah, I think he brings a bit more liveliness to the show. And yeah, so I'm hoping, we've never been obviously because we've not lived here long enough, but I'm hoping it's going to be a very good show.
So it's driving up through Preston on Wye at the moment, aren't we? So we're the wrong side of the river, so we'll go over at Bridge Solace, and we'll show you a picture of that as we drive across it. That'll be a nice thing to see as well on our way to Hereford. Right, so we're just coming up to the River Wye. We've got a big hill just after the bridge, and we've got the mummy in the back as well, so we've got 3 adults in the car. So let's have a quick look at the bridge, and then we'll have a look at the hill, see how Sid gets up that. So 4th gear at the moment, it's doing alright, isn't it?
Yeah, we'll stop now.
So we only had to drop down to 3rd gear to get up there. Now we're good at the junction. So we've been in 2nd gear up that hill before, so things are going well. Basically from the map at the end of this road. here to bring the standards up.
it was just
inappropriate and not connected.
yeah.
That's like the best Meccano set or the best Lego set you've ever had.
Full size.
It's amazing. Well done.
Congratulations.
That's really honestly, I love that. What's next? You got next project?
He's only just finished this one. Give him a chance.
Oh no, I'd love another.
Let him have a break.
Perhaps no offence. And you are Sydney, and your car Boston 7 as well. When did you build it from and to?
It started in 2022 when I was 13.
Well, that's massive round of applause for these two, because right there with those two guys is where the future of not just workshops like mine, but of our passion for these old cars lives. It's down to you to keep it going. So well done, guys. Really happy to see that.
Right, we've had a brilliant day. We got a shout out from Richard Hammond as well. So I've thoroughly enjoyed it, and now we're going to head back.